Hello, we are out here at 8928 Quail Roost Drive in Navarre. That's 32566. This home was built in 2013. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, square footage at 1470. Beautifully clean home. Let's take a look inside. So here we are at our entry. Got the vaulted ceilings and plant ledges. Beautiful kitchen overlooking the living areas. To the right is your laundry facilities and 2-car garage. Bird's eye view of the living spaces. From the kitchen, we've got this gorgeous granite. Generous seating for 6 or more at the breakfast bar. Dining area as well. And double doors to the master bedroom. Generous enough for your king-size bed and all your bedroom accoutrements. Complete with ensuite bathroom, double vanity, garden tub, and separate walk-in shower, as well as water closet that has its own dedicated linen closet and the walk-in closet next to the vanity. Brand new HVAC replaced in August of 2023. As we said, neutral LVP throughout the home. Split floor plan, so to the left here, additional bedroom. Full bath to share. And another additional bedroom. I'm gonna pop a quick look out the back door. Smooth slider. We've got covered patio. Open deck, fully privacy fence with yard building. The vinyl in the back. Now this is an extra large lot, so even beyond our back fence there's 0.36 of an acre total. So this yard extends well beyond our fence back there. Lots of extra room to play. Plenty of space for the kids and the pup to frolic. As you can see, we've got the fittings for wind protection devices. So we are here at 8928 Quail Roost Drive in Navarre, Florida, 32566. Come take a look at this beautiful home.